Hey, today we're going to be unboxing the Amcrest Wi-Fi camera, Model IP4M-1051B. There was a piece of tape on here I already took off, so let's open it up and see what we have. Alright, right on top we have warranty information, important security notice, a special offer from Amcrest Cloud. We have the quick start guide. Alright, so first thing I'm pulling out is the camera. Packed up, there's foam in there, which is good. And it's in a plastic bag. Let's take that out and get a better look at it. So there it is. And there's some more protective plastic covering on there. You can see the bottom to screw into a mount. You can see that it's going to be able to move, and your different hookups. It looks like we have power, audio out, audio in. That looks like for an SD card, and also to connect it to Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable, it looks like. And then there is a second box, which is going to have, alright, so we have the plug here, pretty standard. We have an extra Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable if you're going to be using that. We have, this is the power cable, which I'll open up. So this has USB that's going to plug in, and the other end here is going to go into the actual camera. Also in the box here we have a mount. So there it is. The bottom is going to be able to screw right into that. And this could get mounted to a top, to a wall, and that moves, so that's nice. And looks like we have mounting hardware. So that is screws. So yeah, that's everything. Looks good. Next I'll be getting this bad boy hooked up, and I'm excited.